Setting up your grow tent properly is the foundation for a successful indoor organic grow. If you get it wrong, you'll struggle with airflow, lighting, and even pest issues. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need for the ultimate organic grow tent setup. Hey cultivators, welcome back to the Organic Grow Academy. If you're serious about organic cultivation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out www.seedtogrowth.com. What size grow tent do you need? 2 by 2 feet is great for single plant or micro grows. 3 by 3 feet or 4 by 4 feet is ideal for small to medium sized grows. 5 by 5 feet or larger is great for high yield or multi-plant systems. Make sure your tent has high reflectivity mylar to maximize light efficiency and a sturdy frame for hanging equipment. Choosing the best grow light for your tent. LED grow lights are best for energy efficiency and spectrum coverage. HID lights are high output, but they give more heat. T5 fluorescents are good for seedlings and clones. For organic grows, I recommend full spectrum LED lights. They mimic sunlight and work great with living soil systems. Why airflow is critical for healthy plants. Inline fan and carbon filters, they remove odors and maintain fresh airflow. Oscillating fans strengthen plant stems and prevents mold. Passive air intakes create proper air exchange. Always set up your exhaust fan at the top of the tent to remove hot air. And keep intake vents low to bring in fresh air. Choosing the right soil and pots are key for organic success. Living soil mix is rich in microbes and no bottled nutrients are needed. Fabric pots improve drainage and aeration. Plastic pots retain more moisture but need better airflow. I highly recommend fabric pots for organic growing. They allow roots to air prune and create a healthier soil environment. Dialing in the perfect environment. During the seedling stage, you need to keep humidity higher, about 70%, for strong early growth. The veg stage, 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 to 70% relative humidity. During the flowering stage, 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 to 50% relative humidity. Use a hygrometer to monitor temp and humidity. Small fluctuations can make a big difference in organic grows. These final touches help optimize setup. Use mulch or cover crops. This helps retain moisture and promotes microbes. Add worm castings and compost tea. This helps feed your soil naturally. And control light leaks. This prevents hermaphrodites in flowering plants. These plants are male and female. And that's everything you need to set up your organic grow tent for success. With the right lighting, airflow, soil, and environment, your plants will thrive from seed to smoke. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments what grow tent size you're using. If you need one-on-one grow coaching, make sure to visit www.seedtogrowth.com. And remember, the seeds of today are the flowers of tomorrow. Class dismissed.